Have you ever been in a situation where you made a very amazing video and then you come back a day or two later only to realize that you have a copyright on that video and you're wondering, what is my voice? I didn't do anything wrong. What did I do? What did I not do? When you go on to check the analysis of the video, you realize that a simple instrumental that you use or a simple sound that you got from CapCut gave you a copyright. And then you're wondering, okay, what should I do next? Sometimes you're even tempted to even delete that video. This is what I'm going to be explaining in this video. I'm showing you exactly what you should do. Instead of deleting your video, there is something you can do to replace the sound. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to get copyright-free music directly from YouTube, right? How you can get copyright-free music for your videos, and how, if you already have a sound on your video that gave you a copyright claim, you can also go ahead and replace it with one that is copyright-free. There are a lot of them on YouTube that you can use for free. If you give me a little bit of your time, I'll be going ahead to show you exactly what you should do. Don't delete your video because of copyright claim. You can easily replace it. You can easily remove it and also avoid it. Just stay with me and I will show you exactly how you can get this done.
Okay, you're going to head on to YouTube Studio desktop site on your phone or on your laptop, and then you're going to go ahead and type and click on the content part so that it opens up the videos that you have on your channel. Then you go ahead and pick on the one you want. You see where you have copyright showing, right? Click on that copyright. Then you're going to see what is it, see more. When you click on see more, it's going to open up like this. Now you have it's going to be showing you the details of the copyright. What you want to do next is click on take action. Click on take action, and then it's going to open up to the next phase. When you open up to the next phase, this is what the interface will look like, right? You have erase song, replace song, trim and cut out segments. Then you have dispute. You want to just go ahead and click on replace song, right? Not erase song or trim. Just go ahead and click on replace song. Then it's going to open up like this. Allow it sometimes to um load up. When it opens, this is what it's now going to look like. Now this particular red showing down here is showing us where the copyright is, right? And this is showing that and the entire video has copyright. I actually used a sound from CapCut. I used an instrumental from CapCut, and that's why I have this copyright showing here. So this is to tell you that there's some sounds on CapCut that actually copyrighted, not all are free. So it's safer that you actually use the ones from YouTube library because those ones are free. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and click on you're going to see music. This music, they're free and you can use them, right? They're copyright free music on YouTube that you can use. So I'm just going to scroll down to see the one that the length fits the length of the video that I want to remove. You can actually use more than one sound. You can actually use 2, 3. Just go ahead and pick the ones you want and trim it or reduce it to fit what you want to achieve. So, but for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and look for the the sound actually has a lengthy what's it called, instrumental, right? This particular video was about, if I'm not mistaken, about 5 minutes long or so. So I'll just go ahead and look for the sound that about at least 4 to 5 minutes, so I don't get to merge too many sounds. I actually want to use just one sound to replace this. Then when I've gotten the one I want to use, the next thing I go ahead and do is just to click on it, right? Just go ahead and click on it. If you want to pick more than 2 sounds, when you pick the sound that you want, you will see it show, like it's going to show, and then you're going to be able to go ahead and trim to the part you want, remove the excess, remove exactly what you want, and just maintain maintain the part that you want to keep. By so doing, you're going to be able to replace this particular sound here. When you are done replacing, you're going to go ahead and click on done, and it's going to tell you that this is processing. This is this easy, right? So instead of deleting your videos, if you have a copyright on your videos, rather than delete them, you can go ahead and just replace the sound. The other option that says erase sound, you can actually still use erase sound. That is, if you want that particular sound in the video to be completely erased. I usually use this when I post shorts and I have copyright on the shorts. I just go ahead and erase the sound. Usually the video has given me maybe some subscribers and likes already or views already. I go ahead and just click on erase sound to erase the sound completely and leave it like that. Then the other option is one that says trim out segments. This one now you're going to be cutting out the particular part of the video that has the copyrighted sound. I usually don't go for this option because the video is most of the videos I post are tutorials. So if I get to cut out any part, it simply means that um um what's it called? I'm leaving my audience to imagine what was supposed to be there, or they won't have the complete information on the details that they're supposed to get from that video. So rather than delete the video or trim it out, I just go ahead and replace the sound or erase the sound. So these are the options I get to work with. Then there's one that says dispute. Dispute is when you are sure that the music is yours, right? You have the license to the music, you will have ownership of that music. If you do, you can go ahead and dispute the music, but I don't because most of the songs I get to use, I don't even know who owns them. I just know that they are available on either a website or on YouTube or Capcom to also use. They're even available on TikTok and Instagram. I don't get to know the owners of those songs sometimes. So yes, I don't dispute, right? But if you're sure that the music is yours, you can actually click on dispute, and then when you're done, you click on continue, right? Click on continue, you're done, and then you are done replacing the sound. It's going to now tell you that this is processing, right? If it's processing, it's taking some time to process. When it's done, they will send you a notification that it has been approved, or you can come back and check, and then you start it has been approved. It is this easy. This is how to replace the sound on your video if you see a copyright claim. So long as it's a claim, you are safe. It's only when you have a strike that you should be concerned, right? Just in case you don't even know what's the difference between both of them, you can tell me in the comment section. I'll be dropping a video to explain the difference between a copyright claim and a copyright strike and how you can actually avoid having a copyright strike on your videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'm hoping that you get to subscribe, like this video, leave a reaction on it, leave a comment.
If you watch this video to this point, I am trusting that you got some value for your time spent here. Please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any question, go ahead and ask me. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.